What's up guys, this is Abnu here, and in this video I will show you how you can get circle battery indicator on your status bar. So to get that, open settings and then scroll all the way to down and click on system and then status bar. Scroll down a little bit to get to the battery indicator settings. Here select battery status style, then choose circle. Here from these options you can also hide the battery percentage to be peaceful about your battery. You can also make percentage appear inside those portrait and circle icons, or you can simply hide those icons to view only the text percentage. Here you should note that I am using Android 11 based Lineage OS on my device, so this option may not appear at the same place on your device, so make sure to search for it at the right place. If you use custom ROMs based on customization like Resurrection Remix, then you can find even more customizations for your battery icons. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.